Very good morning to everyone. We are here with Anushka from the Commerce branch, who has achieved the wonderful feat of 11th rank in the state, which is a very unbelievable score, and we would like to talk to her today. Hi Anushka, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Thank you so much for asking. I'm doing great. What do you think about the score? How are you feeling? I'm sure you must be very happy.
I was thrilled when I saw my score and I was very happy and proud of myself. And I would like to thank all my teachers, my mentor, my parents for always supporting me and having the belief in me that, I can achieve something in life.
What are your plans for the future? What do you want to get into?
No, I'm currently taking BCom ECC and I'm planning to become an income tax officer in the future.
Wonderful. All the very best. Thank you. So, your scored distinction, how are you feeling?
It's a pretty good feeling. I mean, see, I was expecting to score more, but again, I was in my 70s and everything. But joining here, the teachers they really helped me. So, like secure 80 and all that. So yeah,
So, apart from academics, how was your 2 years spent here?
I mean, being honest, I learned a lot of skills which I wouldn't have if I joined somewhere else. Like I learned about script writing, video creation, and all that, and it's really helping. Like even right now, it's really helping me. It's a skill that you'll use forever. That will be with me forever.
Yeah, so you have scored very well, and like, what are your future plans?
Future plan, see, I basically wanted to become a web developer, or I'm really interested in graphics, VFX, and all that stuff. So this was a proper base. This was a proper foundation for me.
We have with us today Shalini, who has achieved the wonderful feat of getting state 916 in the 12th final exams, and we would like to talk to her today. Hi Shalini, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you so much. How do you feel today that you have achieved this wonderful feat and made your parents, made your teachers, everyone proud?
I'm actually very happy. I just feel like without our principal and our teachers, it wouldn't have been possible. And mostly, it's like they motivated us, and also the main thing is that they helped me figure out my weakness, which I couldn't do it. So usually we know our strength. It is very important to know our weakness. They helped me figure out. My class teachers helped me figure out the weakness also. So I'm very grateful for them.
That's wonderful. And you have spent 2 years in this college. I'm sure you would have had a lot of fun, lot of studies, and lot of learning. What would you like to share about these 2 years that you have spent in Nagarjuna?
The classmates, my friends, and also the teachers supporting, and also the events taking place here, the Commerce Fest. It was so fun. Studies also with fun. It's all actually a great platform here. I'm I'm very happy to have joined here.
Thank you so much. What are your plans for the future? What do you wish to get into?
I basically want to become a CA, so I have to go for it.
We wish you all the very best. Thank you. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿನಿಂದ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸುವ. ಚಿನ್ಮಯ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ 12th ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಕಾಮರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾವೇ ಐ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಐ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ನು. ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ 3rd ಪ್ರೈಸು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು.
We are here with a parent who is also a teacher, and we would like to get her interview on Nagarjuna College as a whole. मैडम जी, आपके तीनों बच्चे इधर ही, दो बच्चे इधर ही पढ़े हैं, और दोनों कॉमर्स में है ना? हाँ। आपकी बेटी ने ऐसा अचीवमेंट किया है, आपको क्या लग रहा है मैडम?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है और मैं नागार्जुना कॉलेज को धन्यवाद देती हूँ। बहुत बहुत आभार उनका, जो बेटी को इस तरह से उन्होंने तैयार किया है ना। एक मिट्टी को जिस तरह से एक सुंदर मूर्ति के रूप में तैयार करना एक शिल्पकार के हाथ में होता है, ऐसे ही बच्चों को एक अच्छा भविष्य दिखाना और उन्हें अपने भविष्य के लिए तैयार करना, आगे की जर्नी के लिए तैयार करना एक टीचर के हाथ में ही होता है, जो इन्होंने बखूबी निभाया। और मैं बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरी बेटी को इतना सपोर्ट किया, उसे इतनी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाया कि आज वह इस मुकाम को हासिल करने में सफल हुई।
मैडम जी, आप खुद एक टीचर हो और आपने बहुत सालों से देखा है नागार्जुना कॉलेज में कैसे हैं फैकल्टी वगैरह. आपको क्या लगता है टीचर्स कैसा सपोर्ट था उनका 2-3 सालों में? आपको क्या लगता है?
टीचर्स का बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट रहा है। हमेशा एग्जाम से पहले भी और एग्जाम के बाद भी वो बच्चों से मिलते थे, उनके कोई भी छोटे छोटे संदेह भी अगर उनमें होता था पढ़ाई में, तो वे ज़्यादा समय तक कॉलेज में रहकर, ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने ड्यूटी किया और चले गए, ऐसा नहीं था। वे यहाँ रहते थे और बच्चों के साथ बच्चों को अपना अनमोल समय देते थे, और जो भी संदेह उनको सब्जेक्ट के रूप में होता था, बच्चों को वो पूरा करते थे।